Hello. Is it good? Is it good? It is good. Okay, so usually I'm using Boya M1 mic, and in this video I'm just want to tell you everything wrong that I'm doing in these days. Wrong means not that much wrong, but what's wrong going on with my English or what I'm doing actually. This video not having a good script. Actually, I never I was scripting before videos. I started in I think from the last 2 weeks. I have been making videos with this script, but yesterday I was sitting and I realized that what's wrong going on, like what I'm doing. When I started my YouTube channel, that time I decided that I will make video only on my experiences and only for only for about me and about my journey to become a fluent English speaker. But suddenly, not suddenly, yesterday I was sitting and I realized that I think I begin to focus to make a perfect video for you, perfect thumbnail, perfect editing, everything. I wanted to be perfect, I wanted to make perfect. This is not good thing. This is my channel, and on my channel I'm just here to share my experiences, my life, that what's going on, like how I'm learning this language. I'm not here to teach you English, okay? But I was just making videos as you were asking me all the questions, and I will make videos on everything that you will ask me and you are asking me. But the wrong thing is I started focusing on editing, I started focusing on thumbnails more rather than my practice. So to be honest, in last I think from 5 days I didn't practice literally as a full-time English learner. How bad it is, yeah. So I decided to practice every single day more, at least 4 hours a day I should practice, and I will share everything that going on, that will that will be going on in my life as a full-time English learner. So I decided to make a kind of vlogs, and I will never edit my videos on a fluent. I can edit, I'm having good idea about editing, I'm having good knowledge about thumbnails, and in future maybe I will provide some services about it, because I quit my job and I'm a full-time English learner, guys, now, and I'm fully focused to English and on YouTube I'm making videos to make money also, and share my through my experiences. But I forget in the last day, 2-3 days, I think 2 weeks, 1 week or 2 week in August, I forget that I'm here to just sharing my experiences. But when we become possessive and we eagerly want to make money, or and you can understand my thing, like I quit my job and I'm just surviving on my savings. When I was doing a job, that time I saved some money around 30,000. Actually, I invest that my money that time. That time I started investing my money on some mutual funds and also stocks. So I invested, and recently in July I redeem my old money, and get my all money back from stocks and all mutual funds, because I wanted to buy a new laptop. So that is the thing, and I'm buying a lot of stuffs. And yesterday I ordered, not yesterday, before yesterday I ordered a wireless mic. So I'll make a kind of vlogs for you, my life vlogs, okay, how I'm learning, and whole day, like my whole day, what's how going on. You can learn grammatical things from everywhere. There are a lot of channels, but you are here, I think you are here for me to watch my life, like how I'm learning English, okay? You are not here to gain a perfect knowledge or in with the perfect edited video, I think. But I can help you in your YouTube. If you are also a YouTuber, a new YouTuber, a small YouTuber, that I can help you. Whatever the questions if you are having about YouTube, you can ask me, I'll help you. And also I decided to talk to you, to talk with you all on one-on-one session. Like a lot of English learners, or they are also making videos, conversational videos. So I'll do it. But now I'm going to buy a new laptop. So first I'll buy, actually I'm having this laptop, but this is an old one. This is not having a good camera, front cam, webcam, and also this is not having a good RAM. So I also think to upgrade it, but I want to buy a new laptop for my editing, also for my one-on-one sessions, because so many English practitioners or English, they are having their own YouTube channel. They are also talking me to make a podcast, one-on-one online podcast. So I will do this, all these things I will do. I will make videos about conversational. If you are watching me and if you want to talk to me, then connect with me on my Instagram. We will talk on a call, and we will also talk on a video call. Okay, and just maybe in next week, because I'm going to buy a new laptop and I ordered a wireless mic, so everything will be fine. And now I'm fully focused to I have been focusing, but maybe some of the reason, consistency is important, but also important that how you are spending your time, spending your days, it's also important. So I convert my life into a YouTuber, a kind of YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber anymore. I'm just here to share my experiences, and also, but I want to make a good connection with you. If you are watching now, you are my friend and you can talk to me on a call. It's not a big deal, because I'm not having much subscribers now, and I can talk with you because I have good time. I can talk if possible. So you can connect with me on my Instagram, and I'll show you everything what I'm doing, what I'm writing on my diary, and how I'm learning this language. Okay, so everything I will explore with you. So stay tuned. If you are new here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so this is also important. And I also tell you that visualization, meditation also important. I'm doing this in the morning, in the evening also. I'm reading books. So currently I'm reading this one book. I already reviewed this book, Good Vibes Good Life, and this is crazy book, yeah. This is wonderful book. So okay, so everything will be about my life, about me, not about a kind of teaching things. Okay, you can learn from another things. You are here just for me to watch my content. And yesterday I was practicing in a group. I was practicing in a group. There we were talking about the case this going on, doctor case in Kolkata. And that was such a bad thing that happened, and I don't have any words for that, because these kind of usually going on in our country. But it's our duty to be a good human being, to be a good good person. So I'm just here to share and I'm also upgrading my life. I started doing exercises every single day to build some muscles, and why I'm doing this, to become a perfect and strong, wise, and to become a good person, that nobody can defeat me. So if you are here, you will learn a lot. You hope you are learning a lot from me. You are my friends. You can ask me anything in the comment box. You can connect with me on my Instagram. I'm not just here to perceive you or like my subscribers. If you are watching till now, you can ask me anything about your life. We are friends, and I'll make my daily life videos, daily lifestyle videos, I ordered a mic, and maybe tomorrow I will get that. So stay tuned. And this is just a life update. This is just what's going on. And as a full-time learner, we should learn. We should practice our English more and more. At least 4 hours, 6 hours a day. This is also a big deal. I know that when you learn English, you will get more good opportunities in your life. Okay, I'll share with you everything. Okay, so if you are watching now, it means a lot. And I also I'm not focused on camera. Why? What's wrong going on? I will fix everything in my life, and I'm using this mic. Okay, so I think it's good. It's good mic. I want to make random videos. I want to make not make wait I just want to make videos like this. Like, I don't want to make a perfect videos. Hope you got my point what I'm saying. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Stay tuned. Bye bye.